What's up guys? Today I have got a brand new gaming desk to unbox. This is the Genesis Holm 300 RGB. It's the most unique and feature-packed gaming desk I have ever come across. Features which include wireless charger, USB 3 hub, customizable RGB lights, monitor and game controller stand, and lots more. So I really can't wait to get this unboxed and assembled. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now on this middle bar you will find your LED light strip, which is powered by standard 5-watt USB. So here is the end result, all assembled up. So the size of desk is 120 centimeters wide by 60 centimeters in depth. The height of the desk is 75 centimeters. Now the desk is made from wood. The legs and all the metal parts you see is made from steel. So it's quite a good looking desk, and I really do like that black patterned finish. On the left side we have a built-in 3-port USB 3 hub, an elevated monitor stand which comfortably holds my 28-inch 4K monitor. And right next to the monitor you will see a standard wireless charger, and next to that you have a dual game controller stand. And on the far right of the desk you will see a very convenient drink bottle holder, and underneath at the center you have a document or accessory shelf, and towards the far left you have a headphone holder. So there you have it guys, my new dedicated gaming setup, the Genesis Holm 300 RGB gaming desk. And to keep me busy I have Google Stadia, PlayStation 4 and the Lenovo Legion Y740. This is my lockdown getaway room. It's completely separate from my office, and it's my way of zoning out and getting away from everything. So when I'm in this room it's all about gaming. Now this gaming desk is priced around 169 euros. Its availability is quite limited. The desk has been very well designed. I absolutely love the placement of all the extra features such as the dual controller stand, wireless charger, water bottle holder, etc. The RGB lights are quite powerful, and in the dark it lights up the entire area of the desk, and it's completely customizable with the included remote control. So overall it's a very comfortable, ergonomic and satisfying desk to work and game from. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description in case you guys want to check this out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.